Welcome to Head or Tail. Today our topic is what is the dimensional formula in physics. First, we understand the definition of dimensions. Basic physical quantity like length, mass and time are used to define unit of physical quantity and characteristics of physical system. For example, weigh the physical object in kilogram means kg. Example 23 kg, 50 kg, 1000 kg, etc. So dimensional formula is mass is m1, l0 and t0 means mass power of 1, l length power is 0 and t power is 0. This is the dimension of dimensional formula of mass. Now next example is in length. So calculate the length in meter. Like example 312 meter, 330 meter to tip. So dimensional formula of length is m0, m of power 0, l of power 1 and t of power 0. So this is the length formula. In this formula time is 0 and mass is 0. Now third example is calculate the duration in second. Like example 5460 seconds. So the dimensional formula of time is mass power 0, length power 0 and time power 1. So m0, l0 and t1. Now next, what is the dimensional formula of displacement? So first we understand the definition of displacement. If any object position is changed from old position to new position is called displacement. Means the object is available on old position, this is A, and the new position of object is B, is called displacement, like this. So if any object is changed the position from old position to new position is called displacement. For example, A is old position of object and new position is B. Then the displacement equal to B minus A. The displacement is calculated in length meter, and displacement is a vector quantity with direction and magnitude. The dimension formula of displacement is mass of power 0, L of power 1 and time is power 0, T of power 0. Now next topic is the dimensional formula of velocity and speed. So the displacement of any object in 1 second with particular direction is called velocity. So object position is initial position is A, then final position of object is B. So if displacement in 1 second is called the velocity. So velocity unit is meter per second. Velocity is a vector quantity because direction is available inside this, and dimensional formula of velocity is mass of power 0, length power 1 and time of power equal to minus 1. Because the velocity unit is meter per second and no mass available is the, that's why L1 t of power minus 1. Now next learn the speed. What is the speed? The distance covered by any object in 1 second is called speed. Now the speed unit is also same meter per second, but the speed is a scalar quantity because direction is not available in this in speed. And dimensional formula of speed is mass of power 0, L of power 1 or T of power minus 1 because the unit of speed is meter per second. So the velocity and speed both are the dimensional formula is equal. Only the difference is the velocity is vector quantity and speed is scalar quantity. Now next we learn the dimensional formula of acceleration. So first we understand the what is the acceleration. The acceleration is the rate of change in velocity is called the acceleration. Now we take the example, we have the school bus. The school bus is passed in the city area. That time the speed is 3 meter per second. The cross the city area and school bus is driving past the highway. Then the speed is 20 meter per second. Next, the cross highway, the school bus is passed from hospital. That time the speed is 7 meter per second. So, in each time the speed is changed. So first time is 3 meter per second, then second time is 20 meter per second, and third time is 7 meter per second. So acceleration definition is rate of change in velocity is called acceleration. So acceleration unit is meter per second square. This is also vector quantity. Acceleration is vector quantity. The dimensional formula of acceleration is mass of power 0, length of power 1 and time is power minus 2. So in your mind the question is come how to derive the dimensional formula. So don't worry, I explain to you. Now first we check the what is the definition, what is the unit of acceleration. The acceleration unit is meter per second square, and what is the definition of the rate of change in velocity. So velocity divided by second. Now we know the unit of velocity is meter per second. Okay, so we can write like the velocity replace the meter per second and divide by second. Next equal to meter divided by second square and equal to meter into second of power minus 2. So now this the it's simple, the mass of power is 0, the length of power is 1 because the meter is 1 here, and time of power is the minus 2. So the dimension formula of acceleration is m0 l1 t inverse 2. So now tell summary. Finally we learned dimensional formula in physics. Also we learned definition of displacement, velocity, speed and acceleration. Then learned dimensional formula of all. Also we learned how to derive dimensional formula by using acceleration example. Hope tutorial will help to understand the basic of dimensional formula. Thanks to watch head or tail.